Today, I'll be showing you how I put this adorable little succulent planter together. These make lovely gifts and are very affordable to make. For the planter, I'll be using a glass I purchased from Kmart for less than $1. I'm starting by adding some small bonsai pebbles. These cost around $3 per kilo from Bunnings. Next, I'm adding a succulent mixed soil. This particular mix helps prevent waterlogging and root rot. These are some succulents I cut from my garden. The wonderful thing about succulents is that they are very easy to propagate. Simply cut a piece off and plant it directly into soil and it will grow and spread. These are sewing machine tweezers, which I'll have linked in the description box down below. They are very useful when planting small succulents. I'm also using the other end of my spoon to create holes, then gently placing the plants in. Here I'm removing a few of the leaves to create a stem to plant. You can also keep the leaves and lay them on top of some soil and they'll grow little baby succulents. Before adding my top layer of pebbles, I'm gently pressing the soil down to create an even surface. Next, I'm adding these tiny hedgehogs. I'll have them linked in the description box down below. They were a few dollars on eBay. eBay has so many cute little props for planters and fairy gardens as well. To finish the planter off, I typed up a little plant quote that I found on Pinterest and printed it onto a sticker label. You can buy these sticker labels from Officeworks. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more. I'd love to know what your favorite succulent is in the comments down below. Hope you all have a beautiful and creative day. Bye for now.